mommy on the bus go. Shh, 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 shh. The wheel on the bus go round and round.
Hi. Wait, what is that? What's in there?
Wait, that's it.
What's in there on land? Aha, this is a school bus, right? What are you gonna do with this school bus? So they're supposed to stick this part on the school bus and sing the part that related to it. Like this one on land, what is this? On land, this one, what is this?
I forgot.
Petrol.
Petrol on the bus go clack, 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 clack. The petrol on the bus go clack, 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 to the town.
How about only? What is that?
That is the door.
Okay, what do we sing? How do we sing the door part?
The door go open and close.
What?
Open and close.
Open and shut?
Open and shut. Open and shut. The door do the open and shut. Do the town.
Okay, next one. Olan is also done with the door.
The driver on the bus go move front back, move front back, move front and back. People,
The driver.
the driver.
Make sure you don't put it upside down, okay? Okay. Next one.
The driver on the bus go move and back, move and back, move and back. Driver on the bus go move and back, to the town.
Let's see what's next for Olan.
The driver on the bus go move,
Swish, swish, swish.
yeah, see. Driver on the bus go, to the town.
Next one, only.
The driver on the bus go,
Put it back. Yeah. Make sure you don't drop anything. It's too small to find. Just take one at a time only.
The driver on the bus go, It's getting windy. It's getting windy.
Yeah. Hopefully it's not raining. Oh no, it's just here. Just here. Not here? Oh my god. I thought that. I think that is the wheel. On land, is that the wheel?
Yes.
How do you...
The wheel on the bus go round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on faster!
What is this? People.
People on the bus go.
Man, up and down, eh?
No.
Mommy but shh, shh, shh. Yeah, the people on the bus go up and down, up
Hey.
and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down,
What is this again?
all through the town. Can I say it? Petrol.
The petrol on the bus go
Cluck, cluck, cluck.
clack, 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 clack. The petrol on the bus go clack, clack, clack all through the town.
Almost done. Okay, Momo. I think that is the light. What? One at a time. Mình nạm ở đâu?
Get it first.
What is that on there? What is that? I cannot see.
The grandpa on the bus.
No, it's people.
The people on the bus. I know, yeah.
It's enough. It's enough. Don't put too much. You're gonna rip your pepper. That is enough. If you put too much, you're gonna rip your pepper. Remember? The people on the bus?
Go
No, up and down.
up and down. But it's like this.
Up and down. The people on the bus go. Oh, the picture says shoo shoo, but I think I remember people they sing up and down. Maybe there are two options. Okay, you can sing shoo 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 or up and down. So this one the signal.
Go bling, 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 bling. You're sitting on the bus. Go bling, bling, bling. All through the town. Yeah, let's go down. Wait for this.
Wait, what's that, baby? Okay.
The baby on the bus. Go away. Baby on the bus. Yeah. I want to get out. No.
All through the town. Is that also the baby? Mommy only? How do we sing baby here?
The baby
No,
on
no,
the
the
bus.
mommy, sorry.
I forgot to. The mommy on the bus goes. Shh, 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 shh. The mommy on the bus goes. Shh, shh, shh. All through the town.
Let's check if we got everything here. Again, what is this, guys?
The wiper on the bus go.
No need to sing, okay? Just wiper. How about this one?
Wiper.
This one? Who is this?
Driver.
This?
Door. Baby. Remember my good time.
How about this one?
Oh.
Yeah, I will help you. Can you finish this one?
The mommy.
People.
People.
This one. New word for you. Petrol.
Petrol.
Here.
Wheel.
And here. Signal.
Signal.
Okay, I think we got everything here. So
Yeah, color more.
yeah. So we will finish by color. Sorry. Color the other part of the bus and cut it out like this. And we will show you our final result in some of the photo at the end of the video. So goodbye. They are drinking some more to get some energy to finish the work. Bye, Alan. Bye, Elise.